constant noise, we find clarity in chaos.
Life begins when a single cell divides itself several times to give rise to a large number of cells. Different organs form organ systems, and organ systems form an organism. Cells of similar type performing similar function group together to form a tissue, and tissues form organs. Plants grow through actively dividing cells that together form a tissue called a meristematic tissue. Plant cells have a cell wall that provides rigidity and strength, while animal cells without a rigid wall can change shape easily.
Most plants are fixed in one place and do not move from place to place like animals. In general, animals can move.
Grass also appear after some time being mowed.
The lateral meristem, located along the circumference of stems, increases girth. The apical meristem, located at the root and shoot tips, increases its length. These cells become specialized to perform specific functions, such as support, transport, or storage, becoming permanent tissues. The cells of the meristematic tissues are small, have thin cell walls, a large and prominent nucleus.
This happens because of the presence of intercalary meristem at the nodes of its stem.
Collenchyma provides support and flexibility, allowing parts of the plant to bend without breaking. Parenchyma consists of living cells with thin walls, loosely packed to store food. The epidermis forms the outermost layer, covered with a waxy layer of cutin called cuticle. Tracheids and vessels are tubular and thick-walled, primarily dead sclerenchymatous cells. Complex tissues conduct materials. Xylem transports water and minerals from the roots. Sclerenchyma cells have thick walls making them hard and strong, and most of these cells are dead. Phloem transports food from leaves to other parts of the plant. The cellular functions of the sieve tube cells are regulated by companion cells. Like plants, animal cells also group together and are specialized in performing different functions to form animal tissues. A single layer of tall, pillar-like cells helps in the efficient uptake and absorption of nutrients.
Many layers of cells protect underlying tissues from mechanical injury and friction.
Epithelial tissue is composed of closely packed cells, with thin, flat cells helping in rapid diffusion.
Specialized receptor cells have hair-like cilia for movement and clearance.
A tissue that connects and supports other tissues is called a connective tissue, like blood, which is fluid. The red color is due to hemoglobin in RBCs. WBCs fight infection, and platelets help in blood clotting. Bones have a rigid matrix containing calcium and phosphorus compounds, giving them strength and rigidity. Cartilage has a soft, jelly-like matrix and provides flexibility and cushioning. Tendons connect muscles to bones, and when a muscle contracts, the tendon transmits this force.
Voluntary movements are carried out by skeletal muscles, which are attached to the skeleton. They are made up of bundles of long, cylindrical cells, which are unbranched and striated.
Their cells are spindle-shaped, lack striations, and help in slow, continuous movements like digestion.
The cardiac muscles are found only in the heart. Their fibers are branched, working tirelessly and rhythmically, without fatigue.
These actions are controlled by nervous tissue, which forms the body's control and coordination network. The brain acts as the control center, coordinating activities and responses. Each neuron has a cell body and dendrites, which receive signals from other neurons.
The long axon is a fiber that carries messages from the cell and transmits them to other cells.
The rounded top of the arm bone fits into a hollow of the shoulder bone, forming the ball and socket joint, allowing circular movements.
The elbow bends and straightens in one direction only like a door hinge, called a hinge joint.
Maintaining correct posture and regular exercise keeps our bones strong, muscles fit, and joints flexible.
From the simplest cell to the most complex organism, life is a beautifully orchestrated symphony.
In the silence of the flow, education is reimagined. Seek the wisdom of the infinite. Subscribe, like, share, join the flow. An Aranya Panda film.